Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn about Canvas Scaler in Unity. I'll explain what it is, why it's important, and how it helps your UI look good on different screen sizes. Let's begin. Here we have our canvas. Inside the canvas, we can find the Canvas Scaler component. This component controls how the user interface is scaled on different screen sizes. Without it, your UI may look too small, too large, or even be in the wrong position. Let's see what happens when we change the screen size. As you can see, the different devices have different screen resolutions. If the UI is not scaled correctly, buttons and text may become too small or too large. This can make the game difficult to use. Players use many different devices, so our interface should work well on all of them. Canvas Scaler gives us several useful settings. The most common option is Scale with Screen Size. This mode automatically adjusts the UI to different screen resolutions. Next, we have the Reference Resolution. This is the resolution we use as our design reference. Finally, we have the Match Width or Height slider. This setting lets us choose whether the UI should adapt more to the screen width or the screen height. These settings help keep our interface consistent across different devices. You will use Canvas Scaler in almost every Unity project. It helps create responsive user interfaces. For example, main menus, pause menus, health bars, score counters, inventory windows, and settings menus. Without Canvas Scaler, your UI may not look good on every device. Now you know what Canvas Scaler is and why it's important. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.